guys, it's the Cool Kids Lab. If y'all want to be cool, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss a cool video.
You're talking way too fast.
Oh my God! So guys, guess what? It's my birthday tomorrow, so we're going to be attempting to make a chocolate cake with chocolate dipped strawberries. And let's get to it.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
This is the cake that we're going to be making. We're actually going to be making two different cakes. We're going to do the traditional chocolate and the chewy fudge.
So we're going to be mixing these, right?
Have some fudge icing to go with this fudge cake.
Yes. So London's going to be making her birthday cake.
Oh, have some birthday candles.
Did you tell them how old you are?
Oh, guys, if I didn't tell you, I am turning 9 years old.
Almost 10 years old, but not quite there yet.
We also have these cake pans. We're also going to do a layered cake. And even though we're mixing the two cake pans, we are still going to be doing the two cakes in separate bowls.
Come here, guys. Come here, guys. So, London doesn't know it, but we're getting ready to prank her birthday cake. So she's making her birthday cake. But when she goes to sleep, I'm going to add a special surprise. So make sure you keep watching. It's going to be so fun. She has no idea. I'm so excited. She has no idea. We're getting ready to prank her cake. Yeah. Oh God, I didn't open both of the boxes. I don't know which one is which.
So they both have the same ingredients. They both need 3 large eggs, 1.5 cup of oil, and 1 cup of water.
Are you excited? It's your birthday tomorrow?
Yes. Even though it's not my birthday, I still have so much energy.
I know. That's because you're excited. So this
Actually, speaking of my birthday,
it's all in the bowl, all off the bowl.
Speaking of my birthday, where are we going?
I don't know if you want it to be a surprise or you want to know.
I want to know.
Well, you kind of already know. We're going to the Flame and Grill.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to do the Flame and Grill, a Chinese buffet on Saturday. So today's Wednesday, her birthday is on Thursday, and we're going to celebrate on Saturday. Girl, you just told her to put half and half.
It hit the half.
Oh my goodness. London's about to mess her birthday cake up, you guys.
No, I'm not. Don't say that.
I think it's this one. You guys, we didn't switch them up, so I don't know which one is the cake, which one is the brownie.
Okay.
But this is the brownie. It smells like brownie. So the brownie only needs
a half cup.
No, 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup.
Yes.
So what?
Oh, you're supposed to do what before you make our cake? Preheat your oven.
Oh yeah.
So
What
the
do we
first
have
thing
to
first, guys, you want to preheat it to
350 degrees. So how do I have to do that?
just hit start. That's it. You don't have to do anything. I know.
Trying to do the eggs. Woo, we got it good.
No shells in the eggs.
I know, no shell. Second out.
Did she say elk? You gonna put your elk in there?
Last egg. Now we add the other 3 for the other cake.
Okay, so move this one out the way. It's looking good so far, guys. And the good thing is they're both chocolate, so it doesn't really matter which leg goes on top because they're both going to be good.
Good.
Yes, good. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I just overcracked this egg on the countertop.
Yes. Give us a cake emoji.
If you like cake.
Yes.
And if you can find a chocolate cake emoji, that works too.
Well, I don't think there's a chocolate cake emoji. I know there's a regular cake emoji, but
Okay.
no chocolate cake.
Let's make sure we wash our hands.
Make sure you keep your hands clean, guys.
We have 1 cup of water already in.
Check.
1.5 cup of oil. Check. 3 eggs. Check. All right.
My goodness. London is about to be banned from the kitchen.
Actually, guys, this one is big, so we're probably going to let Mommy do that one. So we don't
No,
make
you
a
can
mess.
do it.
That one's going to make a mess.
You just got to do it slow.
My favorite type of cake is lemon meringue cake. I love anything with lemons. Lemons is one of my favorite fruits. Anything that you give me with lemons is good. I love lemon Skittles. I love lemon cake.
Lemon
Skittles. There's yellow Skittles, and that's the lemon Skittles.
Okay. I've never heard of lemon Skittles.
It's just the yellow Skittles.
Okay. Look who got some cake too. Mmm. They good? They good. This is the London show today.
Time to taste.
See?
So we just got finished taking the beautiful cakes out of the oven, and comment down below if you know which one is the brownie and which one is the cake. It's pretty obvious that which one is the brownie and which one is the cake.
Alright you guys, so now for the fun part. So London is finally asleep. So to do the prank, I got a styrofoam block, a glue gun, and we're going to make a slice of a birthday cake. When she cuts into it, she's going to actually cut into the styrofoam and not the cake. And then here's the foil, and I'm going to wrap the foil around there.